Ghana's party baked chips is in today's episode, and believe me, this was very easy to put together, and the outcome was marvelous. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where I always share easy recipes, and trust me, you will love it here. So please do not hesitate to subscribe for more videos, and it is absolutely free. Thank you so much. Without wasting much of your time, let's get to today's activity. I have with me here my 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You can as well use your soft flour. I'll be very happy if you watch this fully and then with sound, okay, because I'll be listing the ingredients whilst we are preparing this. Sometimes I do see comments, can we have the ingredients? Meanwhile, all the ingredients and then the measurements are being listed in the video. I have a personal reason why I don't list the ingredients in the description box, but I just want you to watch it, okay? I have personal reason. Maybe I'll tell you one day. That is just by the way. So I added a pinch of salt to that. I mixed it and then I added my nutmeg, and thank you so much for your understanding, okay? But for now, I just want you to watch it like that without me listing the ingredients in the description box, but watching what I am doing as well, okay? I've added my half stick of butter to it, but in all we'll be adding 1 stick of butter, okay? So I'll be adding the other part to it very soon, and that is what I have added. Please do well to mix it very well. I went ahead to add extra 2 tablespoons of butter, so in all a stick of butter plus 2 tablespoons of butter. I think a stick of butter is half cup, okay? So half cup plus 2 tablespoons. You can as well use margarine if that is what you want, and it works perfectly. I will then continue with the mixing, and if I'm supposed to add any other ingredient, I'm just going to let you know. Thank you so much. So this is the outcome that we have with this recipe. If you want to add milk, sugar, eggs, that is up to you, but trust me, we don't add those things, okay? You don't have to add sugar to it so that it can have its perfect taste as well, okay? It tastes different from cookies, so please do not add sugar. If you add sugar to it, that is cookies, not baked chips. And adding eggs, milk and those things, that is not necessary, okay? But if you want to do so, you can go ahead and do that. I added some liquid to it earlier to form the dough. That wasn't milk. It looks whitish, but it wasn't milk, that was water, okay? It was the same cup I used to fetch the flour. That is why it looks like that. But if you want to add whole milk to it, you can go ahead and do it. Evaporated milk, whole milk, powdered milk, you can go ahead and do so, but I think it's not necessary, okay? Now we are on the working surface, and I will just go ahead and work on it as you are seeing on the screen. But if you watch me from the beginning, okay, if you've done that from the beginning till now, thank you so much. You are amazing. Can you please like the video for me? I will be very grateful if you do that, and share the video to others. Thank you so much for doing it. My returning subscribers, thank you for always spending some time with me and also being here today. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us for more videos. I know very well someone may say he or she doesn't have the knife Yes, it does not add any taste to the chips. Okay, so you can actually use your knife at home, and that is perfect. And also, if you have that knife that we use for bread making, okay, it is not sharp, you can use that as well to cut them, and you get that perfect. But if you want the design, then you have to get some of the knife in any of your local market, or if you go to Melcom, you can get some. If you go to Amazon, you can get some. If you go anywhere, you will get some. Okay, yes. So now I will separate them and then cut them into the sizes that I want, and this is how usually our chips looks like. So we are just doing it this way. Sometimes people get busy, not that you who is watching the long form video, you are not busy, I don't mean that, okay? Yeah, forgive me if I say something that you do not like, but there are some people, they want short videos, like a minute view duration, or they want less than a minute duration video. Please do well to follow us on all social media platforms, including YouTube Shorts. We share the short videos there. Okay, yes. So after this one, I'll convert it into short video and then upload it again, like a minute or less than a minute. Just that the long form ones always comes first before we bring the short forms, the short forms one. Okay, the short form one. Okay, and if you want to wait, it will take time, so you can watch this if you have the time. Thank you so much. Now that we are done cutting everything, I'm just going to transfer everything in my baking tray, then we can go ahead and bake this. So this is how it looks now, and I've set my fire at 350 Fahrenheit. I'm just going to bake this for some few minutes. Make sure you study your oven, please, and know how the strength is. Okay, sometimes you may need like maybe 250, 180. Yes, but I'm going to use 350, and after some few minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes, our chips is ready. And thank you so much for watching from the beginning till now. I love you. I will see you next time, and my little girl says I should blow you a kiss, so a kiss to you. Bye bye.